What does the PS5 HD camera accessory do, and should you? Find out how to arrange the PS5 Digicam for streaming. Establishing the PS5 Digicam is a reasonably simple course, however there are a few pitfalls you need to keep away from. This is what that you must know to bodily set up your PlayStation 5 Digicam. Take the PS5 Digicam out of its packaging. Observe there is not any have to assemble the bottom because it's prepared assembled. Bear in mind to take away all plastic protecting packaging across the Digicam lens. Plug the USB cable into the again of the PlayStation 5 console. Observe solely the again USB sockets work with the PS5 Digicam. The entrance USB socket will not acknowledge the Digicam. Place the Digicam in entrance of your TV in a central location. Transfer the cables behind your console and TV so it appears to be like neater. Find out how to configure the PlayStation 5 Digicam. As soon as you've got plugged your PS5 Digicam in, that you must briefly configure it on the PlayStation 5 console. This is what to do. In your PlayStation 5 dashboard, click on Settings. Scroll down and click on Equipment. Click on Digicam. Click on Modify HD Digicam. Click on OK. Place yourself in order that your face suits within the body of the ensuing picture. Do that thrice in a row, clicking subsequent every time. Your PS5 Digicam is now calibrated to work appropriately together with your PlayStation 5. Find out how to use the PS5 webcam whereas enjoying. Now that your PS5 Digicam is all arranged, the primary motive why you'd buy one is to be able to stream gameplay by way of Twitch or YouTube, whereas additionally streaming your visible reactions as you play. This is how one can use the PlayStation 5 Digicam whilst you stream gameplay. Learn upon how to stream gameplay on your PS5 if you have not executed so earlier than. Load the sport you want to stream. Faucet the Create button on the PS5 controller. Tip the Create button is between the D-pad and the touchpad. Click on Broadcast. Click on the three-dot extra icon. Click on Broadcast Choices. Click on Show Digicam. The Digicam is now displayed within the center left nook of the display. You'll be able to transfer it round with the D-pad to discover a higher location in your stream. Click on X to conform to its placement. Click on Go Reside to begin the stream. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.